Pastor, he was just wondering what we've been doing during quarantine, and this is one of the fun things that we've been doing. We've been growing some plants with an indoor garden, and we've put in a couple seeds, and our family really enjoys having the tower garden to grow plants in. We like trying out new seeds and growing different type of plants. And here it does make a little noise because it kind of sounds like a little waterfall that's indoors. What is my favorite thing to grow in the tower garden is probably some strawberries as we have up here, and some spaghetti squash and lettuce and cucumbers, because I like watching how you pollinate the spaghetti squash and watch them get like bigger and bigger. What can you grow in a tower garden? You can grow pretty much anything that is not a plant, that is not a tree, anything that doesn't grow underground, and that's not a herb that grows underground. But you can grow anything that can grow above ground, and yeah, how long does it take to grow? It takes, with the tower garden, about 30% faster than your regular backyard garden, and arugula normally would grow about 20 days, but we're not growing any of that right now. And lettuce, which we are growing, can grow in up to as less as 30. What do you have to do to get your tower garden working? So to get your tower garden working, you have to fill this with this reservoir with some water, and take your tower tonic A and B, and then fill it and put 400 milliliters of each into this little opening here. And then you take your rock wool and put some seeds in it, and then you put it in these little black baskets. And then what you do now is you take the light timer that's up here and the water timer that is down here behind the tower garden, and you set them, and that's pretty much it.
Favorite thing to grow in the tower garden?
Flowers, spaghetti sauce, strawberries.
I'm Landon Lewis. My family likes to garden. The thing to grow in is strawberries and cucumbers. You can grow in a tower garden anything. You can grow anything. Only if it doesn't grow on a tree, or if it doesn't grow on the ground, or if it doesn't grow on a bush.